Hey guys, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware while keeping your data. You can see this is unsupported hardware. Go on Microsoft Edge and look up Windows 10 download and click the first link. It should bring you to here. Then click the three dots. Then click More Tools and then click Developer Tools. And then this should pop up. Then click the three dots when you're in Developer Tools. Then click More Tools. Then look for Network Conditions. Then look for User Agent and then uncheck this. Then click Custom and then just pick Chrome OS, for example. Then refresh your page and then you should have an option to download the ISO. Then click Confirm and now we wait. You have to pick 64-bit. Then wait for the ISO to download. Then in your URL, look for Windows 10 ISO, like this, and put a 1, and then press enter. Then it will bring you to the Windows 11 download page. Then just scroll down, and then you could just download the ISO. Then it will also be downloading. Make a folder on your desktop. I named it Windows 11 Installer. Then click on your Windows 10 ISO, click on it, copy all these files to your Windows 11 Installer folder. Open up the Windows 11 ISO, then go to Sources, find install.wim in the Windows 11 ISO, then open up the folder on your desktop, then go to Sources, and transfer the Windows 11 install.wim to the folder we made on the desktop, then click Replace, and now we wait. After that, you can click back and you could just click Setup, and then it's going to say we're installing Windows 10, but it's not, we're just using the interface. Then you can click Next, and then you accept, then choose Keep All My Files and Apps, and then click Install. Now it's installing Windows 11. I will see you guys when it's done. Then it restarts working on updates. After, it booted right into the desktop. Here are all the items I added on the desktop before, and they're still here. Alright guys, that's it.